So now it looks a little bit more beautiful. Now you don't need a log out button here, so you can double click on that afterwards and get rid of it. And we want a back button, so I'm gonna actually put it back so I can have something to line up against. And I'm gonna click, I can actually go in here and I can click on this thing, copy it, and then I'll go back into my group again, make sure I'm in the group, and then I will paste it, and it'll go right on top, and then I'll drag that over to the other side, and then I'm going to change the icon to back, and then I'm going to take out this stuff because I don't want to log out. I just want to have a link to back, and then I will select that icon, and I will select the already made selection over here, and I will just, well, I can do two things. I can select it like this. Actually, I can just leave it like it is. It's enough. It's enough in there. And so now so this one will be more of a likely of a duplicate you'd want to have than the previous one. See, because everything is like there already. So whenever you want to make a new screen, you're going to use this template that we create over here and just paste it into a new screen, and you'll be able to continue on. All right. So now if I'm going to change this home by double clicking, and I'll change this to my profile. So now when I click play, or preview that is, I'm going through here, I'm in my home, and if I click on my profile, I'm in my profile. I still got this nice pretty thing here. I'm able still to do all the same stuff. This thing I left here, so I got to remove that logout button. So I'm going to go in here, double click, and then delete that once I've selected it. And then I will run this thing again, preview, one more time. And so now I click on my profile, I can click back to go back. Click my profile and click back. Home, you will do nothing, as you know already. And I can click logout. So there you guys go on. There you go for another set of your application, kind of creating a theme for application. And in the next episode, we will go further into generating our application. We actually have to think about a topic because we don't have a topic. Pretty much this is generic. So you can do this for pretty much any application if you like, because most applications will have a username, password with a login, and will have a profile, and maybe even have a profile image. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, guys, that's the end of part 3 of our series. It's not the end of our series, but it's the end of part 3. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you in part 4 of our series. All right, thanks, guys.